This is code.org, and we're going to import dessert.java from our backpack. Cool. Hello backpack, hello dessert.java, hello import. As always, if you're missing it, you can click here and you can grab the code that they have. We are not missing it though, so goodbye. All right, what do we have here? In dessert.java, write toString method to return a string containing the flavor and the price of the dessert object. Okay, so toString method to return a string containing the flavor and the price of the dessert object. Note, use /n, ooh, this is new line, escape sequence to put each value on separate lines. Interesting. Let's see what they give us here. ToString. Public string toString. Return the string to return. All right. So I'm going to go way down here and we are going to do a new method in the dessert class, right? And it says that we are returning a value. So keep in mind, if you're giving something back, it can't be void, right? Say if we are getting the price, it's double, or the flavor, it's a string. Well, they tell us directly, we're returning a string. This is called toString. Boom and boom. It doesn't say any parameters, and there are none here, so we're good there. Bam. All right, now what do they want us to return? Return a string containing the flavor and price. And let me see how they did this. Flavor, blueberry, price is my assumption. And they currently gave us this. Interesting. So I'll assume they also want us to print it like that. All right. And so we need a new string. So I'll do return and then flavor, right? Except I'm going to do it like them. So semicolon, space, boom, flavor. And then the name of this, which is flavor, I could look up here, the instance variable. So plus flavor. Now they ask us to do a line separation sequence. This actually needs to be in quotes. This is a string. It's not a data value outside of it. It's not an integer. It's considered a string. So we would need to put that guy also in quotes. Okay. Now it might be more clear. I'll keep going like this. I know this is a new line, but I'm going to show you possibly a better way momentarily. So I'm not going to put a space here, and that's because I don't want a new line, my next line, to start with a space. The computer sees this as a new line. Price. And then plus, and I'll just do price. And let's see if I broke something real quick by running it. Let me head over here. Best part is testing. I guess I'll just put it right here for now. Let's give that a shot. Boom and boom. Oop, and I just made a mistake. It probably is returning. We're not going to see it unless we ask to, right? It's just returning the data. We need to ask the computer to print it if we want to see it. So print system out, print ln, bam. Flavor and price. Cool. So there might be a cleaner way to do this, maybe more readable as well, right? I'm just directly returning it. We could do string, I don't know, f, and then this could be something like this. And then if we wanted to, just for readability. And remember, this plus just means it concatenates. So whatever data value is stored in flavor or stored in price, the computer is going to smack it into this string. And the computer knows we want everything as a string, especially since this comes first. It's going to concatenate it and do a casting or a conversion of the data to make it all a string. So this is also an option. And I could just do something like, I should be able to do boop, F. Let's give this a try. And there we are, same. So the really cool thing about code, I'm going to go back to how mine was, but there's more than one way to rewrite. All right, that being said, onward.